Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Namar kajing persya jong kawe ke Kynhun seng bhalang napo kajala ban ai sanat Rangbah shnong Syaki Jaitbynriew Garo kibala syong lasa nadu kulong kuma hapo kisan phau sau tali kishnong kibahap hapo karat marwet jong ka Hima meliam nakalyang ka all ribhoi Garo Hetman Association mandakasngi ka hanyo tarik ubanai leber arja ar phau sau kalalej ban IT da kador khas ha Myntri Rangbah kajala ukon rat ki sangma ban kerpat bat kentu yeu ba untuk lalem halor kani kejing le jongki ka Kynhun kala kerpat ye Myntri Rangbah ba unya keran lam bat ka KHADC ka Hima meliam bat ka raj marwet naka benta ban aya ka sanat che Rangbah shnong ka shnong ubadei na ka Jaitbynriew Garo habayo ban ya keran bat unong ai ktien jong ka all ribhoi Garo Hetman unikhil ar marang ulya thu ba kejing keran bat Myntri Rangbah kila kerpat ye bakum kinong shong shnong ka jala bat kum ki Jaitbynriew Garo kibala syong lasa nadu kipor handai hentai hapo ka thany ribhoi kidon ya ka hok banlong kum ki Rangbah shnong hakatika thany badon tang ki Garo suda henrei hakini ki ars nempat kalami kejing persya bat kejing khanglat ban ai sanat long Rangbah shnong Syaki Jaitbynriew Garo nakalyang Myntri Rangbah ulaong ba unsawat yakilat kelenti kumno ban weng ya kani kejing bat ban ai ya ka hok jong ki Jaitbynriew Garo bakin yo yakalat ban long Rangbah shnong hapo ki shnong jongki bat nakalyang Myntri Rangbah ulaong ru ya ka Kynhun baka di ban let Ïakynduh ye UCM ke KHADC uba penyat sing siem halor ke jingpan jingpen syai ba hatu ki Garo ki badan hapo ke jala ki don ne em ya ka hok ban yo ya ka sanat ban long Rangbah shnong hapo ki shnong jong karaj marwet nakalyang ke serimina marang pat kala kerpat ya ketika sing bhalang baka di ban yele ban wanra ya ka jingshong suk shong san hapo ketika than bat baki di ban tip shwa ya ka jingshisha baro halor kani ka kam
ngadi nikel amara the advisor jong ka all ribhoi Hetman Garo Hetman Association diwan yang tu ya sal pondar cuma Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya ban tepat ba ni dei ban yo hok ban long Rangbah shnong ne Hetman nadu mensua ni long Hetman hi dapat tanggini ki aslem iong ba di lem itu sukum Rangbah shnong namba itu kum nong peniat shnong namba ngim mukwa pensim ya ka nong peniat shnong ngi kwa bet ya ka Rangbah Hetman te ngi don hok pan yo kanega kertan ban sinsa ya ka shnong lajong jaba wan mano hain jonga ban kam trying jonga ngam sha phiru pim sha hi te ngi kwa ba ngi ru ngi yo ngi don hok ban yo kum o Hetman jongka shnong jongi Garo don kawi ka NGO dang ba kwa ban penpau ka keting jong ki NGO tang ba ki rasa yang ni ba ginong Rangbah shnong ne Hetman jongka shnong jongki Garo ni sya ha kari ba som mengi nadu British rule nadu khakai aja san ha kata kapor patlong danglong rule jong ka British patron Meghalaya ru patyo India ru patlong independent India long na independent nadu khakandai saupunyo de ngiyo Meghalaya nadu na khakandai nipo a te swaban long Meghalaya ngi dan hapo Assam dang ba hadin ba layo Meghalaya nam taka Meghalaya kediban jong ki Garo khasibat jantia manlong Meghalaya te ngi layo hau snem khakandai nipo a te nadu katu guru ngi song suk song sang ni sensar kada snong lejong ni tang keniat sngi keniat ayu ni msha yangi banlong Rangbah shnong ne Hetman tangba mataru haki department befer jong ka sorkar tang priang ya ka sil jong ka Hetman ka CM Diong ban kin วัดลักบันไอกับฮอกจงนี้บันลองเรามาชนงจงชนงละจงแต่อีองรู้บางอินยาฮับยากันดูยาซีเอ็มจงก็คัดหากินกีเดียวบันวันingin ya kerpat ingin ai memorandum mencuangi lah dep ai memorandum ingin ai biang ya ka reminder copy jong ka memorandum kami ni scam ba ingin yo sa hok jumi ni padya kundu ya UCM KC si mencuangi lah ya kundu tanpa kini ki afsnet ni padya kundu ni thaulat ban ya kundu ya u tanpa padyo ai pore ni tanpa iong ba ini lihat sih kin aipor yang ini banyak itu ban terpat ke demand joni.
Today we have met Honorable CM sir, and the issue is for regarding the headman non-punyat license sanat, which is given to the all Ripoy district Garo villages. So this non-punyat sanat is not acceptable to the Garo or Ripoy district people, because since from 18th century we have been practicing this nokma or headman as on our own rank. So today we have got the complaint from one NGO, but I don't want to blame them also, but I would like to request them to first inquire the truth, the story, which is that Bilangata village, in Bilangata village, those villages, those new those other tribal people like Naga, Mizo, Mao, they have purchased the land. Lots of land they have purchased, but that land is not belong to Garo people, because I have been inquired details. I have been inquired there last week also. Then all those Naga, Mizo and other tribal people, non-Garo Khasi and non-Garo Khasi tribal, that other people, those are living there, they are their land is not belong to our Garo people. That land is belong to one our Khasi people only. That Khasi people. Actually, I don't want to blame them, but it's not. That land is not belong to Garo. Land is belong to one respected person, that Uncle Mama Tengen. So I have been there. You can go and check. So that land is not belong to Garo people, but Garo people, they got blamed that we have sold those land to other people, other tribal people. But later on, we come to know that is wrong. And that land, if it is belong to Garo people, then Garo people will not give like that, because now we have inquired. That's why I come to know that land is belong to Khasi only. Then how this another one NGO they can blame on only to Garos. And now I have got another some sanat also last 2023 December for two sanat, the two NOC has given. That is only Darbar's Nong Bilangkata, not Bilangkata A, Bilangkata B, not Khasi or Garo, but one person who only for one leader, one headman they have given that one. Please let them inquire nicely first before blame on Garo community, because Garo people is not sold that land. That is belong to our one respectable, our one uncle Dengan. So without knowing the truth, they blaming and they try to restrict. They want to stop this headman sanat. This is not acceptable. This is not acceptable. So we request our other NGOs also, please, we will have to maintain the peace and tranquility and peace and harmony if it is continue, it might bring out the violence, communal violence. So we don't want this all things. And we have talked today with the Honorable CM and local MLA, and we have talked with MDC also. They are very much eager to support us. So we hope we will get our right, and it is very their job to get right. Thank you so much.